Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an chatbot, so which is better than ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you can just give prompts and get your desired answers. So in this, you can upload. That is, you will be having an upload option. You can upload any document. So thereby, it will analyze the document and give better results for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how that AI tool can be useful for our research paper writing. So before that, we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which is useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to discuss about ChatGPT, that is ChatGPT prompts, and also research prompts in ChatGPT and how that research prompts can be useful for our research paper writing. So the link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So see you on the workshop. As EV charging become popular nowadays, there is a evolution in EV. So this is a workshop is all about how to design a EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop, we are going to model a grid connected PV system, and also we are going to simulate under PV and wind system under various conditions and optimize maximum power point tracking in both the PV and wind system. And also we are going to model PV wind based EV charging stations, and we are going to explore that EV charging stations in our MATLAB online workshop. So and also bridge the gap between renewable energy and the electric mobility. So don't forget to register this online workshop regarding EV charging station with PV and wind as a source. So the link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So another important workshop is all about MATLAB. So you can learn from basics to advanced applications. You can do wonders with MATLAB. In this MATLAB workshop, we are going to discuss about how to develop an environment in MATLAB and basic syntax looping, 2D and 3D plotting, and PI controller tuning, fuzzy logic toolbox, neural network toolbox, next ANFIS toolbox, genetic algorithm and PSO algorithm. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. The outcome of this workshop is to accurate a comprehensive skill set in MATLAB to tackle diverse engineering and scientific challenges. So hope this workshop will be very helpful for you. Don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Claude AI. So it is one of the best chatbot where you can generate better answers. So here you will be having an important option called upload. So you can attach your files to analyze. So here you can see you can attach files up to 5 maximum, that is 10 MB each. So accept PDF, text and CSV, etc. So first we will explore it as a chatbot by giving a normal prompt. We often use it to give. So we are going to ask generate an abstract. So let us see how it will work. So generate an abstract for the paper titled Machine Learning Algorithms for Battery Management in Electric Vehicles. So this is the input prompt I am going to give. So generate an abstract for the paper titled Machine Learning Algorithm for Battery Management in Electric Vehicles. So let us see how it will generate answer for us. So here you can see our content is started to generate. So here electric vehicles rely on advanced battery systems for power, making effective battery management for critical achieving long lifetime and range. This paper provides a review of machine learning techniques that have recently been applied in BMS for EVs. A background on this purpose, components and data stores for EV BMS is a perfect provider. So this is the first provider, common predictions and estimation problems. So like that it has generated a better abstract. So let us see how much the number of words it has generated. So if it is around 150 to 250 words, it will be a fantastic abstract for your research paper writing. So I am going to copy and paste the content. So yes, it is a perfect abstract. So here you can see the number of words is 173. So a perfect abstract must be between 150 to 250 words. So it is one of the best abstract generation tools. So you can make use of this option to generate an abstract. So we will explore with upload option. So I am going to give refresh. Again you can see the add files option here. So in order to do so, I am going to upload a random paper, a research paper. So why this is means, so you can upload your reference paper to get a better review about that reference paper. So here I am going to upload this paper called Grasshopper. So click on that paper. So it takes several seconds to upload that paper. So after that upload, you can give input prompts. So according to the input prompts, the paper will analyze the particular paper and will give a better results for your research paper writing. So here you can see I have uploaded this paper. So this paper is 6.94 MB. So after that you can ask anything you want. Summarize the paper and give main findings and key points associated with the paper, and also give what are the probable update can be make in this paper to improve the quality better. So this is the input prompt. So it must be a detailed prompt. So summarize the paper and give main findings and key points associated with paper. So and also give what are the probable update can be made in the paper to improve the quality. So like that you can give the input prompt related after uploading the paper. So you can give the input prompt. So let us see how this Claude AI analyze the paper and will give better results for our research paper writing. So let us see. So it will take several seconds because the Claude 2 will have to analyze the particular paper we have uploaded. So after that it will generate better results. So let us see how it will generate. So here you can see that our the summary of the particular paper is generated. Yes, this paper is all about a 𝐸HO, that is grasshopper optimization algorithm. So in this you can see that the paper presents a novel grasshopper optimization based on maximum power point tracking technique for PV systems. So 𝐸HO is tested under various conditions include fast charging, irradiance, partial shading and complex partial shading. Its performance is compared to the techniques like PNO, ABC, PSO, like that. So next you can see these are the important that is summary of the paper. Next you can see some ways where the paper can be improved. So test 𝐸HO on actual PV system instead of just simulation models to validate the practical viability, because this paper alone explains the simulation work of the particular 𝐸HO algorithm. Yes, this could be a justified better answer. And you can see compare performance with a few more recent bio-inspired MPPT techniques. So it can be also done because there are many bio-inspired optimization algorithms now been proposed, especially related with the MPPT techniques. So it can be compared with even better techniques in order to justify that 𝐸HO is a better algorithm. So here you can see evaluate computational complexity and analyze optimal number of particles, extend study to more PV configurations and shading patterns. So why I have given this prompt is that in order to make a better literature review, so you must know the summary and key findings, key points of the particular reference paper, and also you have to get a knowledge on how to update the paper even more. So thereby you can get an idea about what are the problems associated with that particular paper or demerits associated with them. So thereby you can work on that particular area and you can get a better output from that. Thereby you can propose that method as a that is propose that method in your research work also. For example, if you are taking this paper as a reference, so you can take this flaws in your literature review, and you can make a problem statement or research gap with this particular thing, and you can make a better objective and formulate a new research article easily using this kind of prompt. So make a note of this prompt. This prompt will surely help you to make a better understanding about your reference paper while preparing your research paper, that is your proposed research paper. So this is the important thing. Next we will explore with some other prompt. So I am going to ask, I often usually ask that, so generate outline for a paper. So generate outline for the paper titled, so generate outline for the, I am going to give generate thesis outline for the paper title grid connected wind system with PSO MPPT algorithm. So this is the input prompt I am going to give. So grid connected wind system with PSO MPPT algorithm. So let us see how it will generate thesis outline for the paper title. Here you can see, so this is the introduction, background and context on wind energy and grid integration, overview of maximum power point tracking, introduction to PSO, motivation and objectives, next one literature review, wind turbine systems, common MPPT techniques, fundamentals of PSO, discussion of recent works of PSO, proposed PSO MPPT technique. So in this proposed, you can see these are the things has to be explained in this proposed PSO MPPT techniques. So here you can see that wind system modeling, implementation, integration of PSO MPPT with wind converter. Next you can see that simulation setup and results. So in this you can see specification of the simulated system, models and tools used for simulation. Next, performance evaluation. Next one, hardware implementation and testing, conclusion and future work. So these are the things generated for this thesis outline. So this will be a better thesis outline for your research paper writing. So you can make a note of this to generate a better thesis outline for your research paper. Or else if you want outline of your research paper itself, you can ask like that. Instead of thesis you can give generate a research paper outline, like that you can give. So it will generate accordingly. So this will be help you to make a better understanding about your research paper. So this is the important things in this Claude AI. So and also in this you can give references. So from that references it will generate literature review also. You can go on and explore this one also. So this is all about this Claude AI. So I will assure that Claude AI will be one of the best AI tool which will be useful for research paper writing. This chatbot have an upload option, so you can upload your paper. So by giving this kind of prompt, you can analyze your research paper very better. So the input prompt we are going to give is very important. So according to the input prompt only, so it will generate better answers. So you can go on and explore this Claude AI. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.